Go. We are now back to round 3 of the Seagull and Pigeon Olympics.
Seagull. All right. This is the last one. So they get the blue cheese, of course, again.
Yes, more blue cheese. Oh, okay. He's ready. He's ready for the dismount.
Everybody's ready. And watch the dismount.
Watch the dismount. And we're off.
They're off.
Oh, that was whack.
Oh, there goes one.
There's one.
We got one.
Up, fries. Keep going. Keep going. Up.
There they go.
Up. He dropped the piece. Up. He got it in the snow. Got a little snow in the mouth. Whoa. Car. Oh, he caught that in the air. Oh shit, you guys are getting too close to me. Look at him go. Oh shit. Oh, it's a fight.
Watch out.
It's a fight.
Oh, it's a fight.
It's a fight.
Look at
Fight. Fight. Fuck him up. Car.
Watch out.
Get him. Oh, good one. Good one.
Touchdown.
Oh, double time. Car. You almost killed one, son. How could you sleep with that on your conscience? It's going down. They about to. Good skip pass.
Good pass.
Wait. Car.
There we go.
There's too much shit going on.
And
car. Oh shit! This is crazy.
This is
madness.
Watch out, Chinese. Car. He's Chinese. Watch out.
They scared. They out. They scared.
Oh my God.
So many cars.
That was
too much shit going on for me.
That was the Pigeon Olympics.
It was too much shit.
Shit.
Oh shit.
Yo, they trying to sit on me.
Niggas is mad.
They trying to sit on me. Did you see that? We are in the wilderness. They trying to sit on me. Get the bags.
Get the bags.
Get the bags. They tried to sit on me just now.
Nigga, we was just feeding y'all. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Get the fuck out of here. Huh? Get your stuff. Hurry up, get the bags.
Distract them.
No.
What do you mean I gotta distract them for?
Throw fry in there.
Ain't no more fries.
They go.
All right, go.
All right, guys. That was the wilderness. We are out of here.
Don't leave me out there.
We are out of here, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm not risking my life again.
Tune in next week.
Yep, tune in next week for the Pigeon Olympics.
Yeah,
I'm your host, Francis Freddie Friedman, and we're out. Oh, that was fun.